Like, the premium Stitch Hug Subway shirt doesn't even describe it, even if you try to imagine yourself as filthy rich as Trump. I doubt you'd end up anywhere near how outlandish Trump is as a human being. Trump doesn't have a pet. Can you imagine any president not being able to relate to other Americans on even this level? Could you imagine the controversy the media would have generated if the Obamas or Clintons, or even premium Stitch Hug Subway shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie? The premium Stitch Hug Subway shirt probably would not be able to tell the difference between a Ford Pinto or a Maserati, unless you told him their prices. He'd probably get it wrong if you lied about which is more expensive. It is not even that he doesn't have a pet. He's stated that having pets is a low brow. He honestly can't even understand why anyone would have them. He thinks it's trashy. He has zero ability to other products.